your legal questions, his expert answers. Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
When it matters, make it Misny. He'll make a bang.
Good morning, I'm Jason Handman from 19 Action News, and welcome to Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Always a pleasure to be joined by the man himself, Tim Misny.
Good seeing you, man. I'd like to introduce my dear friend and co-counsel on my workers' compensation cases, Dave Nager.
Dave, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, let's go over workers' comp issues. We've been exploring this a little bit over the last couple weeks, and let's talk about the most important steps here in terms of, I think I have a workers' comp issue. What do I do first?
Well, first you report it when you're injured on the job, and the next thing you have to do is make sure you see a doctor. You have your own choice of doctors, so your employer can't make you go and treat with anybody who they want you to treat with. You want to make sure the claim gets filed. You need to know that it's your obligation to file it. It's not the hospital, the doctor, or the employer's obligation. So if you want to get your rights going, you're the one who has to put the paperwork in play.
And why would someone need a lawyer for this workers' comp issue?
In theory, you don't, but in practicality, you really do. I've been doing this for 30 years, and worker comp has become a maze, and unless you're experienced, you're going to make a wrong turn. Sooner or later, you'll make a wrong turn, and it's going to cost you. Either you won't get the proper medical benefits, or you won't get the proper financial compensation that you deserve.
And as far as someone who thinks they have a workers' comp issue or has any questions about workers' comp issues or just has an interest in this type of subject, how do they get in contact with you?
It's real simple. Call me at 1-800-55-MISNY, or feel free to visit my website, misnylaw.com.
And of course, Tim, you're all over Facebook. We can friend you and like you. All right. Thank you so much, Tim and Dave, for coming in today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by the law offices of Timothy P. Misny.
Misny, he'll make a bang.